Hello, I'm Mara Trumbull. I'm a traditional decorative and fine art instructor, but lately I've enjoyed experimenting in abstract art. So here I've painted a background as I would normally do for my landscapes, but I've taken up painting with fluid acrylics in what's called a dirty cup, this is a new experiment. I am putting the oil that's normally mixed with the paints on the base of the painting in the shape of the drawing that I'm going to be doing. This is a wave. I know it looks like a scorpion right now, but I've put the white down first and then a couple of the blues, sapphire and sky blue. Then started introducing some aqua colors. And it looked a little bit too light, so I've added crimson and purple mixed with a little bit of black, and this is what it turned out. It actually looks like a horse running on the shore, but let's see what the morning will bring. I manipulated some of the drops with a fine toothpick, and you can also use a stylo pen. Thank you for watching and carry on experimenting. It's fun.